Hey there, it's AT Tech, and here's how to change your default search engine for Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10. First, open the web browser, and in the top right corner, tap on More Options and scroll all the way to Settings. In the left sidebar, tap on Search Engine, and the current search engine is Google. But if you want to change it, tap on Manage Search and Engines, and beside the search engine you'd like to change to, tap on the three dots, More Actions, and then tap Make Default. To verify that this worked, open up a new tab and type in any word you want. And as you can see, the search engine has indeed changed to Bing. If you found this video helpful, do consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing for more tech tutorials like this one. That's all for now, and I will see you in the next one.